Well, today I'm going to work on this bandsaw. I don't know if it's focused or not. But anyways, it's a Dayton bandsaw. And it used to work really good. I got it used, and ever since I had gotten it, the blade... I had to get some light in here. Alright, I got some light over here so I think you can see better. But the blade, ever since I have had it, has run like that. It's about 1/8 of an inch from the shoulder where it should be. The top runs fine. And anyways, every once in a while the blade would pop off, not that often. And then it just kind of kept getting worse and worse over the years, and now it's to the point where you can't use it. Just about every time you go to cut something, the stupid blade will pop off. And I put new bearings on it over the years and adjusted things, and so I don't know, I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with it. See, the top runs fine, like it should. For whatever reason, the bottom's running about 1/8 of an inch off. So let's tear it apart, I guess, and see what we can figure out. This is the smallest puller I got. Hopefully this will work. Oh yeah, it's coming right off. Well, I pulled it out about 1/8 of an inch. Just for the heck of it. Let's see how well it'll run there. I mean, it's better. Pull it out a little more and see what that does. maybe that will just need to be pulled out a little bit. Seems kind of weird that that would be the fix for it, but maybe it is. Alright, now I need to adjust those bearings. I'm going to adjust both of them, even though the top looks fine. I don't know, the top looks okay. I think I'll leave the top one. Alright, let's find something to chop off. I got a little piece of angle iron in there. We'll see how it works. Well, that was an easy fix. Let's see if it's still sitting good on that wheel. Well, it looks good on both of them. I was going to pull that off and stick it on the lathe and see if that was wore funny, but I'm glad I tried that first. Well, that's good. That sucks not having this thing. I use it all the time. I guess only time will tell if that fixed it. So measuring off of the casting out here, I don't know if you can see in there, but it looks like there's about 3/16 of an inch of a gap in there. And if I do the same on the top, it looks about the same. So maybe somebody before me just took it apart and didn't put it back together right. Well, I guess that's it for this video.